Let's all count to 3 and then let's get out the first surprise. 1, 2, 3. What is it? It's a horse. 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 What color is the horse? The horse is brown. What do we have here? What is it? That's right, it's a bus. Can you say bus with me? Bus, bus, bus. Let's all count to 3 and then get out the next surprise. 1, 2, 3. What is it? It's a helicopter. What color is the helicopter? The helicopter is red and white. This boy is hugging his bunny. Bunny, bunny, bunny. These two are brushing their teeth. Teeth, teeth, teeth. What do we have here? What is it? That's right, it's a dog. Can you say dog with me? Dog, dog, dog. Now, take a look at this. What is it? This is loud. Can you say loud with me? Loud, loud, loud. Great job.
Now let's explore the opposite. What do you think that might be?
The opposite of loud is quiet. Quiet. The opposite of loud is quiet. Can you say quiet with me? Quiet, quiet, quiet. Let's all count to 3 again and get out the next surprise. 1, 2, 3. What is it? It's a cow. What color is the cow? The cow is white and black. White, black. This girl is cuddling her teddy. To cuddle, to cuddle, to cuddle. This daddy is brushing up and down, up and down, up and down. This girl is brushing from side to side, side to side, side to side. What do we have here? What is it? What is it? It's a map. Can you say map with me? Map, map, map. This kid is jumping into her mommy's arms. Arms, arms. This woman is hugging her dog. Dog, dog, dog. Everyone is hugging the birthday girl. Birthday girl, birthday girl, birthday girl. What is it? It's a monkey. Monkey, monkey. What color is the monkey? The monkey is blue. Blue, you. Now take a look at this. What is it? This is comfortable. This is comfortable. Can you say comfortable with me? Comfortable, comfortable, comfortable.
Now let's explore the opposite. What do you think that might be?
The opposite of comfortable is uncomfortable. The opposite of comfortable is uncomfortable. Can you say uncomfortable with me? Uncomfortable, uncomfortable, uncomfortable. Healthy teeth, healthy teeth, healthy teeth. This girl is using toothpaste, toothpaste, toothpaste. What do we have here? What is it? It's a hen. Can you say hen with me? Hen, hen, hen. These three girls are blowing out candles. Candle, candle. This girl is blowing out 3 candles. To blow out, to blow out, to blow out. Let's all count to 3 again. 1, 2, 3. What is it? It's a fish. Fish, fish, fish. What color is the fish? The fish is orange and white. Now take a look at this. What is it? This is annoyed. This is annoyed. Can you say annoyed with me? Annoyed, annoyed, annoyed.
Now let's explore the opposite. What do you think that might be?
The opposite of annoyed is overjoyed. The opposite of annoyed is overjoyed. Can you say overjoyed with me? Overjoyed, overjoyed. This girl is giving a present to her friend. Present, present. This girl is making a wish. Wish, wish, wish. They are having a birthday party in the garden. Birthday party, birthday party, birthday party. This baby is turning 1. This baby is turning 1. To turn 1. This child is turning 2. This child is turning 2. This child is turning 5. This child is turning 5. 1, 2, 3. What is it? It's a car. What color is the car? The car is red, 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 red. Well done, everyone. Now, don't forget to ask your grown-up to subscribe, and I will see you again next time.